Hi, Joe here with Integrity Home Exteriors. Have you ever noticed when your house feels drafty in the winter or even your AC can't keep up in the summer? A lot of times your windows are the reason why. Today I'm going to talk to you about what makes your windows energy efficient, and I'll even share a few quick tests that you can do on your home to check your own windows. Let's start with the frame. This is the backbone of your window. If the frame is old or poorly made, air leaks right through. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are much better because they seal tightly and don't transfer heat like metal or even wood windows do. Here's a simple test. On a windy day, hold a candle near the frame. If the flame starts to flicker, the air is sneaking in. Next, the glass panes. Energy efficient windows use 2 or even 3 layers of glass. Between those panes is a special gas called argon. That invisible gas acts like insulation, keeping the heat where you want it. Here's another test. In the winter, touch the inside of your window. If it feels icy cold, that's a sign it's not energy efficient. Now let's talk about the low E coating. This is a super thin, invisible layer on the glass. In the summer, it bounces the sun's heat back outside. In the winter, it helps trap that warm air inside. It even protects your furniture and flooring from fading. It's kind of like sunglasses for your house. Down here at the edge, you'll see the spacer. They separate the panes of glass and prevent condensation. If you've ever seen fog or moisture between the panes of glass, that means the seal has failed and the window has lost most of its efficiency. And finally, the installation. Even the best window won't perform if it's not installed correctly. Seals and caulking around the frame are what keeps out the drafts, water, and wasted energy. Take a look at this thermal camera image. On the left, you can see an older window leaking heat. On the right, a properly sealed, efficient window that holds in the heat. That energy and money are literally slipping away. So when you're shopping for new windows or just checking your own, here's 3 quick things to ask. 1, how many panes does it have? 2, does it include low E coating? And 3, is it installed properly and does it have a warranty? Now you know what makes a window energy efficient and a few tricks to test it on your own. If you'd like a professional set of eyes on it, just give us a call at Integrity Home Exteriors, and we'll make sure your home stays comfortable all year long and your energy bills stay under control. Thanks for watching.